I'm Dr. Nicole Ramirez with Yost Family Chiropractic, and today I'm going to demonstrate a full spine adjustment, hands-on or diversified technique, but basically just a hands-on adjustment. What I'm doing is correcting subluxations. So a subluxation is under the skin in the joints. What it is, it's something that's out of place and stuck enough to cause nerve damage. Nerve damage can cause pain. So that is a lot of what we see here in the office is people coming in with mid-back pain, neck pain, low back pain, but there are a lot of things that adjustments can help with. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate the adjustment now. I typically start by looking at the length of the legs. Popping, clicking, and cracking is just air being released from the joints. So it's not bone on bone or anything like that. So if you hear that, it's perfectly safe. It doesn't hurt or harm the patient at all. So typically after finding an area of subluxation, I'll just have the patient breathe all the way in, all the way out, and I'll put a little bit of pressure to correct it. Good. Breathe in and out. Good. One more. Good. Okay, so now I'm going to have you on your side facing me this way. So this is how I'm going to correct the pelvis and lower back subluxations that I'm finding. And drop me down here. Other side. Good. And on your back. And now I'm going to move into the neck, which looks a little bit different, but you're supposed to have more rotation in your neck anyway, so keep in mind no motion that I'm putting into the spine is a motion that you shouldn't already have. This way. Very good. So that is a hands-on full spine adjustment. If you or anyone else you know has any type of pain or discomfort, or you want to get your spine checked, go ahead and give us our office a call for a free consultation at 515-278-9678.